I'm Peter Birchfield. Let's go check out what comes in the Renegade VOLT box.
First, we have the Renegade VOLT welding power source. VOLT operates like a Renegade and offers the added advantage of running off battery power. It comes with a power cord and a 230-volt plug. There's also an optional adapter for a 115-volt household outlet. Next are the manuals for the Renegade VOLT and its DEWALT batteries. VOLT comes with 4 DEWALT FLEXVOLT 12 amp-hour batteries and a 4-port fast charger that charges the batteries from 0 to full charge in 120 minutes. Note that these batteries are interchangeable with 6, 9, 12 amp-hour FlexVolt batteries from other DEWALT power tools. Next, we have a TWECO electrode holder, a TWECO ground clamp, and there is also a shoulder strap. This machine is so lightweight and portable, you can carry it like luggage. Underneath all that, we have the detachable battery box that holds 4 FlexVolt batteries. This unique box allows you to go anywhere and weld without needing an engine drive or dragging heavy cables. Welcome to the VOLT age of cordless welding.